In this video, I want to talk about how you can make a YouTube channel banner for completely free on Canva. So what you should do is just head over to Canva, press create and search for YouTube banner. Make sure you choose the correct size. And then once you're in here, I suggest you go get a template from somewhere. So if you Google YouTube banner template and then the size, you can get those and then just fill it out here. Just copy paste it. So this is how you can see the dimensions. So if you want to create your completely own banner, you got to make sure that everything is in this box. So it's aligned perfectly. So if we just add page right here and go to the sign, let's say I have a gaming channel. Find one that you like. It can be this one. Then what you can see here is if we take this, Control C, put it here, Control B, then what we can see here is that if we switch between them real quick, we can see I'm just putting the layer all the way back. So we can see that hers fits inside of this box here, right? So if you're on the desktop, you will only be able to see this part for the desktop. So all the clouds here and stuff is actually not visible on any device except for the TV. So just keep that in mind when you make it. Everything should fit inside this box. So mobile viewers will be able to see it. So you can see everything is in this little box. And if you have extra stuff for only desktop users, you can make it fit in here. But for a good banner, you should make everything be inside this little box, because then it will fit for desktop, tablet, on the phone, as well as on the TV. Now to design it, you can simply use a pre-made one if you want and just change it. So, I mean, this is an example that you can use, and then you can change the colors. Let's say you have a green theme, then you can do green colors, everything like this. Let's say you want different text. You can make it whatever you want. So just keep that in mind that it needs to fit in this box here. Otherwise, it's not gonna look great. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.